All right, hopefully it's back and working. I'm not sure what happened there. It dropped out just as I was about to talk about Elon Musk. All of a sudden it dropped. Hey, hey, can you hear me? Hello, I'm a Dark. Hello, Love, Wisdom, Freedom. Yeah, unfortunately the stream dropped out just earlier, but it's back up now. Got it back. Excellent, okay. So we were looking at this article here, and then it started getting, like, screwy. It started failing because I was reading out this thing that Elon Musk was getting sued. So Elon Musk, SpaceX, and Tesla sued for $258 billion in alleged Dogecoin pyramid scheme. Elon Musk, SpaceX, and Tesla were sued in federal court Thursday over claims that Musk directly manipulated the price of Dogecoin in a deliberate crypto pyramid scheme conducted over Twitter. Plaintiff Keith Johnson, who purchased Dogecoin in 2021, is seeking a class action lawsuit in the Southern District of New York against Musk and his companies SpaceX and Tesla for at least $36 billion in damages. Johnson argues Musk drove up the price of Dogecoin with his tweets about it, but that currency lacks underlying value and Musk promoted it for his own profit, exposure, and amusement. Johnson is also seeking court orders to prohibit Musk from promoting Dogecoin and to declare Dogecoin trading a form of gambling under federal and New York law. The suit claims Dogecoin is an illegal wire fraud enterprise fueled by promotion and manipulation over Twitter. SpaceX has not responded to a request for comment from Forbes. So Dogecoin's value has been on the decline over the past year, dropping to half a cent per coin Thursday from a peak of 64 cents last May. Cryptocurrency launched in 2013 at 0.0002 per coin. Musk started promoting Dogecoin in 2019 with a series of tweets that included Doge and Tesla merch buyable with Dogecoin, both of which increased the Dogecoin's value. In Feb 2021, Musk walked back on his support, tweeting, "I will literally pay actual money to people who void their Dogecoin accounts." The US Securities and Exchange Commission launched an investigation that month into Musk for his tweets related to Dogecoin. Musk then tweeted, "Doge will live forever." Musk has continued to support or at least mention Dogecoin on Twitter, as well as on May 2021 episode of Saturday Night Live. Yeah, we were all there about with the May 8th thing. So, crucial quote. The suit says Dogecoin is a fraud whereby greater fools are deceived into buying the coin at a higher price. Yeah, so basically a noob got wrecked on Doge and he's upset about it, this guy. And and he's chasing the bucks, he's chasing the money. Well, it's the risk that you take on when you trade. Yeah, that's crazy. Orbs. So we've got a new daily candle. Let's see how yesterday's candle closed out. A big solid red candle, down almost 10% after this bullish hammer. See this hammer here, this green hammer on the daily. Hammers don't always produce good things. They're not like a guarantee. Yeah, so we're basically we're trying to figure out, there's a bit of stagnation at this level. We're trying to figure out, are we going to bust down through 20 or are we going to start establishing further and further support at this level just before 20k? I'm going to call it 20,500. Well, it's not even quite that. It's like 20 and a quarter. So it seems, yeah, it seems this is the name of the game so far. Well, for at least for the start of this day, this daily candle is we're gonna see if this support holds for much longer. I want to see Bitcoin go under 20. Would be excellent. Let's see it go under 20k. Let's see, and let's have a look at Doge because we're just talking about Doge. Yeah. Yeah, the guy probably bought it up here or something and thought it was gonna be like, you know, going to the moon or whatever. And he got wrecked. A lot of us got wrecked as well, but you don't see us suing Elon Musk for damages. Right. Doge is maintaining 5 cents. It's like basically 5.5. We'll see how we'll see how it behaves. We'll see how it behaves after Bitcoin does its move. And look, I think it's approaching that same support again. This lighter blue line that I have. This was the local low. It's chipping away at it. You can see the order book. 20,250 are where you can see money keeps getting thrown on top, but it's slowly getting eaten away. So 15, 13, 11, 14. Yeah, it's definitely coming down. Yeah, I don't think this light blue line's going to be here for much longer. It's really getting sold off now. But hey, there might be another tick before we get the break. Who knows? Like, so like I'm down on the 1 minute chart now. But yeah, there's a lot of fear in the market, of course. And I think, yeah, we're looking at losing this blue line. And then after that, what have we got? Got the second blue line down here, which is the 2022 all-time low. The lowest point Bitcoin's been is this blue line here. So if we can get below that, then we'll look at selling off the 20k buy wall. All right, let me read a couple of these comments here. Eva Light, I recognize your name, Eva. I sold everything last night. There's too much going on for anyone to invest. Solo, okay. Well, that's totally your call, Eva. Instead of selling around here, maybe think about like, you know, there could be further dipping, there could be further sell off, right? But if you want to like if you want to make profits into the next bull market, you have to accumulate at a cheap price. Like, yeah, so that's the strategy that I'm sort of like talking about here. There's a lot of support at 15,000, I think it was. Let's see if it's still there. Yeah, 663 Bitcoin at 15k. I don't think there's any other level that's bigger than that. Oh, look at this. 17,500 is 2,367 Bitcoin is sitting there. But see, the thing about these walls is they can get pulled down at any moment. Just because they're there now doesn't mean they're going to be there in the next um, in the next minute. Sorry, I lost my train of thought. I'm reading comments. All right, so we've got another reaction off this line. There you go. Just a little bit of a tick up. Yeah, you can see how many buys are here. If I just change this to 100, this is the market in $100 increments, so yeah, it's coming straight back down again. Bit of a dead cat bounce, that one. That's like a short-term dead cat bounce. Is it coming down to break this support? I think it probably is. There is a lot of buying going on in this zone, and rightly so. People buying for the long term, like for the next, to hold it for 5 years. So buys between now and 20,000, I think that's reasonable. Like, it's if it breaks 20k and goes down to 15 even, like, a buy in this zone is not terrible. Like, you can improve it, you can dollar cost average and improve your position, but yeah, I still think this is, Bitcoin is 70% off. It's basically 70% down from its all-time high. It's only a matter of time, whether that be a couple of years or 5 years or whatever, before that existing high gets tested again. And that is up at $69,000. So it's not too crazy. Let's see how far that would be in profit. 240% from here to the all-time high. Yeah, this support is holding out, isn't it? It's not going anywhere. We'll see how that statement ages. It might break. Might break soon. So the frustrating thing with $20,000 is that it might do something similar to this. See how we spent a month like playing around with 30? We could spend another month playing around here, like this area, Like, maybe there'll be moments where we dip below 20, but for the most part, yeah, we could be spending a while here, like trying to figure out, okay, are we going down, or are we going to start building up again, or it just, who knows. But if it's anything like this first scenario, it could be a round 2 of like chopping around sideways. Low volatility, but hey, it's all accumulation. The market's down, so you buy when it's down, and then you prepare for the next major bull cycle. So that's the theory. You can see a couple of walls here now. 3 million, 6 million. This is big money. This is a lot of money getting thrown around. Anyway, to watch Bitcoin, jump onto TradingView, tradingview.com. You can check out the Bitcoin chart. Um, I have to do some work on the computer now, so I will probably end the stream here. If anything crazy happens, I'll be keeping my eye on it. But if anything crazy happens, I'll probably start the stream up again, and we can talk about it and watch it together. But for now, I'm probably gonna end the stream here and just keep an eye on it. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys, and might see you very soon, or if not, it's just going to be a lot of staring at these supports. All right, take care. See you on the next one.